Adam and Eve bequeathed this world to the devil. But before they sinned, they were clothed with a covering of light and glory. As they remained true to God, they would be enshrouded forever. After they sinned, all sorts of maladies had come upon man. Some of these are dengue, malaria, leprosy, cancer, diabetes, respiratory diseases, AIDS, mental sicknesses, heart diseases, stroke, influenza and pneumonia, kidney diseases, suicide, and the list goes on and on and on. Did you know our health can be regained or maintained by our state of mind? Many people have given their state of health serious attention. God has instructed the Israelites that they should show gratitude. They should rejoice even in sad times. They should be cheerful givers, trust in God's love, and care for others. These were to be the keynote of life. They have proven to be health's greatest safeguard. While the people held on to God's plan, it was reported that not one feeble person was found among the tribes. But as soon as they walk away from God, curse come upon them. God promised us that none of the diseases found among other nations would be brought upon the faithful